Oh! Yeah. What's up, everybody? Me and Locke, we are going to Schaeffer Farm today in Germantown, Maryland. We're about to get some mountain biking going on, so very excited. We're going to try a new trail. We usually do the white trail, but today we're going to do the yellow trail, which is a little longer, about 5.2 miles. Exactly. So we're going to see how it goes. Hopefully we don't die today, but it should be good. I looked at Trail Forks or MTB project app, and it should be a lot of downhill, so it should be fun. But we're heading there now. It's a little cloudy, so hopefully the footage is good, but we're very excited, so we'll see you there. Alright, we made it to Schaeffer Farm. About to get, are you ready?
Yeah, all are ready.
Let's go. About to hit up this yellow trail. So we'll see how it goes. Follow him, Vietnamese outdoor guy. Let's go.
Don't die.
Woo! Huh? Windy. Yeah, very windy. Right here. Turn right. Yeah. Woo! 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 Oh, rocks.
Oh, that's fun though.
Yeah. Downhill. What do you say? What do you say?
Oh man.
What, you didn't record?
Yeah, I didn't record.
Oh. I thought I didn't hear you push the button. On now? Yeah, nice part, yeah.
Không có record.
No.
No. That's stupid.
Yeah, I didn't hear you push the button, that's why I was like, I don't think he's recording. You want to go back?
You want to go back?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So right here, you're gonna go downhill again.
Downhill again?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, right?
Yeah. So
Down
you
here.
here.
Yeah.
So here and then go here. It's
Yeah.
gonna be downhill.
Downhill.
And then right 11 to 12 right here, it's gonna be
Uphill.
uphill. And then 12 to 13 right here is downhill.
Downhill. Okay, ready? Oh. Oh shit, where'd it go? Straight?
Yeah.
Which way? Oh, that way, I think. Alright, so we rode all the way up the yellow trail just so we can see how the trail is. So I think it looks pretty good. It looks promising. Looks like we're about to head up downhill or head downhill. Who knows? Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
You go first.
Yeah, you go first.
No, you go first. Go
Okay.
first. Looks good. About to go downhill.
Yeah. You're gonna go uphill a little bit right
Yeah,
here.
just a little bit uphill, yeah. Whee! Oh shit, I forgot about that. Wait. Yeah. Forgot about that jump right there. Oh, I didn't see that. That was cool. That was fun. Forgot about that drop right there.
I didn't know that, dude. I didn't know that drop right there.
Woo! Yeah. Another puddle. Oh. That was good.
Yeah,
That was fun.
that was nice.
Yeah. Forgot about that drop.
Yeah.
I was like, oh shit.
I know. I didn't know when we walk off.
Yeah.
We didn't know that.
Forgot there were 2 drops right there. Downhill. Downhill. Oh! Yeah. Oh, you okay? You okay? Bump. That was fun.
I know.
That was good. Downhill. Whoa! Open field, downhill. Big jump. Ooh. Ooh. Jump. That was fun. That was a good one. Yeah, that was good. Alright, so we actually finished the yellow trail. We're back at point 15, which is like a big loop from 15 to 18. Then we just make it a back loop. So now we're back. We finished the yellow trail. It was, what, pretty hard? Yeah, it was pretty hard. Not a lot of downhills as the white trail, but it was still good. There's some a little bit of downhills, but now we're about to head back. We're about to head back through the blue trail and then make our way home there. So we're gonna take a little break and then head back. See, we're at 15. Right here. Right here. And we went all the way around. And now we're back here. Now we're gonna hit the blue trail and then go back. Let's go. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
It's getting windier and colder. Gotta hurry up and get back. Ooh! You ready? Yeah, you ready? You see that shit?
Oh my God.
Are you ready?
See? Okay, don't die.
No, don't die. Oh shit!
That was good. That was fun. Oh crap. That was fun. Damn. Oh, look at that. Hey, look at that. We're gonna cut through. Shit. my bad. Yeah, I couldn't see the trail. Shit. Made it back.
Yeah.
Good job. Finally.
I know.
Back on the white trail.
You want to do a white trail again?
Yeah, right.